beautiful. More healthy. We listen to the hope of the people all over the world. We create the value of happiness with technology towards people. Swiftly growing, KOLMAR BNH is a joint venture company between Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute and Korea KOLMAR, which is the best OEM/ODM cosmetics and pharmaceutical manufacturer. Moreover, KOLMAR BNH is the first of its kind to be registered on the Ministry of Science and ICT. We produce specific functional health foods for immune health, utilizing Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute's biotechnology, and produce cosmetics through core technologies such as high purification technology, nanotechnology, etc. As a result, the annual sales, which was 1 billion won at the time of the founding of the Wonseongri factory in 2004, has been growing at a remarkable rate of 298.9 billion won. Not only that, with the synergy effect of merging between Sun Biotech and Korea Foodie Farm, we became the first research laboratory company to be registered on KOSDAQ in 2015. And then KOLMAR BNH and Atomy signed a Memorandum of Understanding on China Business Cooperation in 2016. In the business field, Sun Biotech Business Division produces specific functional health foods developed with Angelica gigas, Cnidium officinale, and Peonia lactiflora that are cultivated in Korea. We are also striving to achieve healthy life through packaging pouches, sterilization, and packaging of finished products. We present HemoHim as our main product and more health functional foods such as probiotics, vitamin C, omega-3, spirulina, multivitamins, chewable calcium, pu'er tea, and pomegranate beauty. In addition, we are under the development of cosmetics such as Absolute Selective Skincare Set by researching and producing various functional materials derived from natural components. In order to become a professional research laboratory company, we develop functional new materials by securing high competitiveness. In addition, we apply C&D methods that connect external technologies and ideas with internal R&D capacities. Moreover, we are securing fundamental technologies by expanding on joint researches with government-presented research laboratories and university research organizations. In the field of business, Foodie Farm Business Division is a professional company in health functional food that can cooperatively support such aspects as the development, production, and release of products with health functional foods in various shapes of manufacturing technologies, such as color multi-tip tablet manufacturing technologies, effervescent tablet technology, Troche tablet technology development. We perform systematic, efficient manufacturing and quality control under the GMP management system. Furthermore, we are also presenting health functional foods which can add vitality to life, such as weight-controlling products, intestinal health products, and vitamins, etc. The technology of KOLMAR BNH, a research-oriented company, won the Grand Prize of Sejong City Businessman, the Ministry of Industry and Commerce Award, the Ministry of Knowledge Economy Award, and the Economic Science and Technology Promotion Government Award. In addition, we are receiving great attention from the media by being selected as a rising star of the KOSDAQ and being designated as the first Excellent Corporation R&D Center. KOLMAR BNH is now joined by the world beyond those nearby Korea by expanding exporting countries starting from US to all over the world, such as Canada, Mexico, Japan, Taiwan, Singapore, Hong Kong, Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Cambodia, China, Vietnam, and Australia. We will move forward to become a global company that can impress the world. KOLMAR BNH will develop various shapes of manufacturing technologies of health functional foods and cosmetics through excellent materials with change and challenge. In addition, we will continually create recognizable, valuable products in any part of the world. Beyond today until tomorrow, we will never stop creating the greatest value. We will increase the value of life with advanced technology skills ahead of anybody else in a new section that is unthinkable by anybody else. Healthy and beautiful life. This is the dream of KOLMAR BNH.